The real estate industry needs to give extra attention to its customers. As most of the customers come through a referral, it can be really tough to initiate a conversation. So here we are going to show you how to initiate and pitch to your real estate prospect.
Hi, am I talking to Jason Smith?
Yeah,
Hey Jason, I am Matt, calling from Rainbow Assets. I was going through my files and saw that you didn't actually buy the property you were interested in a couple of weeks ago. May I know what went wrong?
Carefully analyze the next answer. Pick a pain point you think can be your selling point.
well, things didn't go as planned. There were too many hidden costs, and the person I was talking to didn't mention those earlier.
Oh, I am so sorry to hear that, Jason. We specifically are particular about the no hidden cost policy. May I know who you were talking to?
It was Ryan something. I don't remember properly.
I will see to that matter on first priority, Jason. Now, if you don't mind me asking, are you associated with any other real estate brokers for a new property? Cause I browsed through your files and the property you were interested in. I must say you have a great eye for detail. It's one of the underrated gems you can find at this price.
To be honest, after the unpleasant experience, I did try to contact other companies, but haven't decided anything yet.
After you have known there's a chance to turn this prospect into a customer, ensure that they don't find any other excuse to leave you hanging.
That's great, Jason, cause I guarantee you'll never have a similar experience again. Rainbow Assets stands by the no hidden cost policy, and I can ensure this time everything will go smooth. So what do you say? Should I schedule an appointment for the property booking? As you have visited the property already, you must know the details pretty well.
Yeah, but I would still like to visit it again and maybe meet you in person.
No worries, Jason, we can do that. Let's meet tomorrow at the property at 10 a.m. then.
Yeah, that would be great.
All right, Jason, thanks for your time. See you tomorrow. It was great talking to you.